Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to preview form submission before submit using custom code in gravityform in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using multi-step form and we are going to show form information before submit. Now go to dashboard. Scroll down on left side, you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snippet. Then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type. Drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code. And you'll find this code in video description or in comment section. And this code apply on all forms in gravityform plugin. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to form page. So this is our form. Now you see step 1 of 3. Now refresh the page. And now you see step 1 of 4. Now we are going to fill the form. So we added name and then click on next. Now add email. Again click on next button. Now you see your message. So add some information and then you see review form button. So click on it. Now you see all form detail, name, email, your message, and then you see submit button. So click on it. So by adding this code, you will see form information before submit in gravityform, and this code apply on all form. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.